Hey, what's going on guys? I'm Ryan. Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are doing absolutely fantastic. Today we have something a little bit different, an air purifier from Partu. I'm gonna do an overview of this product. It's not a full review like I normally do here on the channel, but I'm gonna try to show it the best I can and give you my honest opinion. So, model number BS-08, a compact unit here, as you can see in the box. He has a colorful night lights, a lower noise fan, 3 speeds, and it will cover an area of 12 square meters. This air purifier comes with a true HEPA filter or HEPA filter made of 5 different layers, as you guys can see here. You can clean this filter, but the manufacturer also recommends you to change it every 6 months. No worries, because the unit has a warning light to remind you about that. Alright guys, let's have a look what we have here. So we have a user manual and the machine itself. Wow, Comic Sans. Okay, let's tear this film off. Okay, so let's have a look at this machine. So you have the control panel there at the top. Here you can see it's a compact unit. Yeah, very compact, Partu logo at the front, and here you can see the filter wrapped in plastic. Don't forget to remove the plastic, there's a warning for that. And there you can see the voltage, 35 watts. Alright, to remove the filter, unscrew the bottom of the machine, and there you'll see the filter, because this is brand new, it's wrapped in plastic like I mentioned. There you can see the sucking fan there. And here's the filter, as advertised. It looks robust. Doesn't look cheap. If there's a link to buy this filter, I'm going to leave it down below as well. So why do we need an air filter? According to the manufacturer, of course, this is new for me. This is a particle filter, not for chemicals, and it will eliminate 99.97% of smoke. For example, if you have someone who smokes in your household, it removes pollen, mold, any other type of germs, pet odors, for example, etc. According to Partu, it is 100% ozone-free. So let's have a look what we have here. So it's a touch-sensitive panel. There you go, the machine is on. You can see some LEDs there, the lights, anion, I don't know how to spell that. Correct me down below in the comments. Let's just do a quick decibel meter. My voice is over the video, so it doesn't interfere. So this is room noise. Fan 1. An average of low 30s. Speed 2. Of course, the faster the speed fan, more air will be filtered. Okay, the next clip was recorded next to the purifier. Okay, so this is me whispering now. This is setting 1. I'm going to keep the same tone. This is setting 2. And this is setting 3. Setting 3, it's quite loud. I couldn't sleep with this in my bedroom, but setting 1, 100%, you can barely hear it. Okay, back to the studio. Are you asleep now? Hope not. Okay, so next we have the light button. So you have on, off, and when it's on, you will see some color changing. Let me speed up the video for you. If you press the button once again, it will stop on that selected color. Next button we'll see here, it's anion button. This will release negative ions to the air, which combined with the positive ones, that will become heavier than air and it will fall to the ground. Please don't quote me on this, I just got the info online. I'll try to leave some links down below so you guys can check it out. Next one is just a warning light, it's not a button that will come up when you change your filter. Yeah guys, for what I've been using, the machine is very quiet, level 1 is good. It did remove some odors in my kitchen. We don't smoke in the house, so I couldn't test that. If you want me to try anything in particular, please comment down below. Yeah guys, if you like this video, leave it a like button and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Slightly different video this time, but thank you very much for watching and hope I can see you all in the next one. Bye.